in this video, I want to explain to you how to build a sales funnel that spits out profit for your business and produces sales for you over and over again on autopilot. Okay, I know this sounds crazy to you, but once you build out a marketing funnel that works, right, that converts followers, that converts people who do not know you into paying customers, you understand what it means to build a machine and automation that helps you scale your business. Okay, because every single time you're trying to accept money from a customer, you do not need to have any human involvement in acceptance of the money, if that makes sense. Okay, that is why building a sales funnel is very, very powerful, purely because you can automate sales and you can just scale. You can push more traffic into the sales funnel and you can basically produce more profit for yourself as well. Okay, so what do I mean by on autopilot, right? Okay, so these are like the two scenarios. Okay, it's either number one, where the product is delivered to the customer automatically. Okay, this could be a physical product or this could be a digital product as well. So it is an automated sales funnel. The second type of sales funnel is a book a call funnel. So a book a call funnel is basically when someone comes in from the top of the funnel, they go down the funnel, and at the end, this produces a sales call. Okay, and this sales call, someone on your team is probably going to take the sales call and close the client. Okay, so there are only two ways for you to actually build a sales funnel. One is an automated sales funnel where you actually receive the actual money itself, and the payment processor, for example, Stripe or PayPal, will handle all of the payment processing. Or number two, someone actually books a call at the end of the funnel. Okay, so let's start with how a funnel actually looks like. Okay, there are different stages of the funnel. So if you see my screen here, let me draw it for you. Okay, so a funnel obviously looks like a triangle. Okay, and so at the top of it is the first thing. This is called the top of the funnel. Okay, the top of the funnel is referring to anything that is traffic related. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so this is traffic related. Okay, what does traffic actually mean? Okay, traffic are things that come from YouTube, for example. Right? Things come from guest posting on other people's audiences, other people's podcasts. This could come from Facebook, Instagram. This could come from search engine optimization, SEO. This could come from Facebook advertising. Okay, traffic is basically the attention and the eyeballs. So where are people hanging out online? And that's where the top of the funnel basically is. Okay, so that is the first segment of the funnel, which is traffic. You always start from traffic because you convert traffic into eyeballs. Eyeballs is basically into money. Okay, so that is the first stage of the funnel, or the top of the funnel. Okay, the second part of the funnel is lead generation or opt-ins. Okay, so what is exactly a lead? Okay, let's go into the second part of the funnel. A lead is basically a potential prospect, right? A potential customer that is willing to go into the second stage of the relationship with you, but they have not bought from you yet. Okay, so how does a lead come into your funnel? Okay, so they come into your funnel by basically giving you their email address or their contact information, be it their phone number, and etc. etc. Okay, so usually a lead, you receive or collect a lead by giving someone something of value first. So if you see some of the internet marketing or how people run their marketing funnels, right? Usually, for example, they give a free ebook, they give a free case study, they give a free webinar, they give a free masterclass or a free checklist, something free or something in exchange for your contact information. Okay, and the reason why they do this is because they know if they get your contact information at the start, at the end, or 3 to 6 months down the road, they can continuously sell to you over again through email marketing, through SMS marketing, stuff like that. Okay, and the reason why is because if they get your contact information first, right, there is an opportunity for them to continuously build that relationship over time. Okay, so they're going to trust you so much more, right? You are going to trust them so much more because they are going to continuously give you value and information over time until you buy their product. Okay, that is basically a lead. Okay, so if you think about it, right, your marketing needs to push people down the funnel. Okay, your marketing needs to push people from traffic to lead to conversion, so you are able to guide them towards buying the product itself. Okay, that is stage number 2. Okay, stage number 3 is a nurturing process. Okay, so a nurturing process, okay, yeah, this is achieved. And how do you actually nurture a customer who is potentially interested into very, very interested? Okay, so you can do this by running ads. Okay, you're putting ads and messaging in front of them that will push them to buy a product. You can do it by email marketing, for example. Okay, so you're going to send them a series of emails over a few months or weeks, for etc., etc., and you're going to continue the conversation with them, show them a few case studies, show them a few testimonials, show them how your process works, show them how your company functions, etc., etc. Okay, so you're ensuring you also do need to ensure that your free opt-in. Okay, so do you remember I said just now that usually people will give an email address in exchange for a lead? Okay, when that happens, right, you do need to ensure that whatever you're nurturing them with is relevant to what they opted in. So for example, I sell e-commerce email marketing, for example, right? So let me put here, I sell e-commerce email marketing. So everything related to my emails, for example, in the future, has to be related to email marketing because you want relevancy in the actual product or service that you're actually offering. Okay, if you suddenly say, I'm at the start, right, your lead opt-in is concerning e-commerce, and then suddenly I start selling you something about software, you're going to be very confused and you're going to be unsubscribing from the email list once again. Okay, so that's why it's very, very important. Your nurturing stage or the messaging that you're using in your nurturing aspect of your funnel needs to be the same as the lead. Okay, so that is stage number 3. Okay, stage number 4, last one, is to convert and to sell. Okay, so this is where you already accept money from the customer and you bring a customer from just a follower, from just a spectator to a buyer as well. Okay, so you need to be able to convert free people into buying customers. Okay, and so there are many different ways of doing this. Okay, but the most, I guess, basic way or the most famous way in the internet marketing space is something called a tripwire offer. Okay, a tripwire offer is something created or popularized by Ryan Deiss, which is basically you're trying to sell a very, very low ticket product on the front end, right? That is preceding your core offer. Okay, let me explain to you what that means. Okay, so at the start, imagine someone has not trusted you with their money yet, and the first thing that you sell, for example, this could be a very, very low ticket product. This could be something from $19 to $297. Okay, so this is considered low ticket because people are not dishing out a lot of money with you the first time round. Okay, so this thing right here is meant to build a lot of trust, a lot of rapport, and you're able to produce and give people results the first thing that you sell to them. Okay, so once they sell and then they're actually very, very happy with the product itself, eventually they're going to buy your core offer. So your core offer could be anything. This could be a $3,000 per month service, right? This could be a $5,000 per month coaching program, etc., etc. But what matters is that you're able to push people from a series of I do not know you at all, so I do not know you, to I know you a lot, right? I know you a lot. I trust, I respect you, and I make a lot of money with you. Okay, so if you're able to push people down this, people are going to trust you once they start buying your products, and they are more than willing to buy from you the most expensive thing that you're offering as well. Okay, so that's how you convert and sell. Okay, and the last thing, okay, this is stage number 4, right? Stage number 5. Stage number 5 is increasing your lifetime value or your average order value. Okay, so let me write that down for you. That's LTV and your average order value. Okay, so why is this important? Okay, so if you think about a business, right? A business, right? If you want to make at least $1 million per year, for example, okay, that is $83,000 per month, for example, right? And so you, instead of just continuously trying to sell $297 products, you should consider selling something more high ticket, so it's easier to get to a higher revenue goal. Does that make sense? Okay, so if you're able to increase your lifetime value and your average order value of your products by upselling your offers of what you actually can sell to your customers, right? You're able to make more money. Okay, you're able to push more premium offers to your customers. So for example, if you are selling a low ticket digital product here, for example, an online course, etc., right? The premium offer could be a done for you, a hands-on service, or a more expensive product. Okay, so that is how you basically push people down a very, very dangerous sales funnel. Because as long as you set this entire thing up, right, this is a series of web pages, for example, and once after you build your funnel, all you got to do is to drive traffic through the funnel. Okay, and it is able to produce consistent conversion and sales for you over time. Okay, and so why is this important? This is important because if you want to scale your business, right, you need to actually build automated systems that can help you receive money over and over again, and it's very, very predictable down to the dollar amount. Okay, so let me just summarize everything for you at one shot, and let me conclude the video by the important things that you do need to take note of as well. Okay, so let's recap. The first thing you have to do is to ensure traffic is there. Okay, traffic, top of funnel, right? This doesn't matter from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever it is. You need traffic because you need to convert the traffic and the eyeballs and the attention into money. Okay, number 2 is your leads. You need leads because you need people in your email customer database, and so you're able to sell to them over and over again in the future as well. Okay, you need the lead because in stage number 3, you are going to nurture these people. Okay, once you're nurturing these people, you're trying to convince them, right, that, hey, we are the correct company you should work with, you should definitely buy from us. Okay, after you build that relationship, more and more people are going to be more willing to actually buy from you over time. Okay, that is the nurturing series. Okay, number 4, convert and sell. Okay, after you have got a ton of these people into your email database, for example, you need to convert them and you need to start promoting and pushing your offers. Okay, pushing your offers means that actually pushing and selling to your customers. Don't think selling is a sleazy thing. Selling is actually helping your customers solve their problem. Okay, so don't worry too much about selling. Okay, and lastly, how do you extract more lifetime value? How do you extract and make more money from your existing customers? You're supposed to increase your lifetime value and your average order value as well. Okay, so you're able to sell people more products and services, or you're able to sell different things to different customers. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay. Lastly, just to conclude, these are the important things that you have to note. Okay, number 1, always track your numbers. Okay, it's very, very dangerous if you do not know your numbers. And the reason why is because, for example, if I am paying for traffic at the top, if I have Facebook ads or something like this at the top, and I am paying for traffic, it means every single day, for example, you're spending $100. If you do not know the conversion rate of your marketing funnel, it's very, very difficult for you to understand whether you're profitable or not. Right? If I understand that if I push 100 people down this funnel and I know 5% of that traffic actually converts into paying customers at an average order value, right? Every single customer that comes through my funnel gives me around $300, for example, right? If I know this number, all I have to do is to push more people down this funnel. That is basically it. Okay. Number 2, you should track your email marketing open rate. Okay. Your email marketing is generally where most of the profit is being made. Okay. So if the emails that you send actually produce revenue for you, so the higher your email open rates, the higher and more money you actually make. Okay. And last thing, remember, you should only set up your funnel only when you have a proven concept and have sold something before. Okay. So what I mean by that, okay, if you are starting business from scratch, okay, it means you have 0 customers at this point in time. You have 0 customers. You have no case studies. Okay, you have no case studies. You're actually not even a business. Okay, so if you do not have actual paying customers at this point in time, there is no point for you to set up a marketing funnel. You should only start setting up a marketing funnel when you have a few customers that you have helped under your belt. You have a proven system of getting your customers actual results, right? And you are willing to scale at this point. Okay, if you have only a few clients at this point, there's no point setting up a marketing funnel, but you are going to have to do this eventually as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it from me. That's how you build a sales funnel that you actually can create it one time and you're able to just produce money. Okay, hopefully this is useful for you. If you have understood or like this information or have learned something, please give me a like, subscribe, something like this, or even share this video. Okay, let me know what types of videos you want me to produce in the future and just comment down below as well. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.